Hey guys, here we are. Just gonna run through a little two-step conversion video for you.
Yeah, something nice and easy.
You like that background? It's kind of cool. Okay,
yeah,
it's rolling.
I do.
Okay, so the point of the two-step problems is to go from anything from grams to particles or particles back to grams. Okay, so what I like to call this is a roadmap. It shows you how to go. And when we do these two-step problems, I think of it like a road trip. And you always have to take a pit stop because you have to either go to the bathroom or get a snack or something.
Gas.
Right, yeah. So anytime you're going the two-step problems, you always have to make that stop at a mole first and then go to the particles.
Okay, gotcha.
So we're going to do some problems. Okay, here we go. So how many particles are in 29 grams of sample of CO2?
Okay.
So we first circle what we're looking for.
Boom.
Underline where we're starting.
Oh, look at that.
Perfect. So step one, write what you know. Well, what do we know?
829.
Grams of CO2.
Yep.
Step number two,
Make a
T-chart.
little Ooh, pretty fancy
Okay.
T-chart.
I know, right? Okay. Step number three, we're going to cancel our units by using the conversion factor from our roadmap.
Wow, look at that.
So first I'm going to put the molar mass on the bottom because
Okay.
I'm starting with grams.
So I need grams on the bottom.
Right.
Got it.
So I put the molar mass on the bottom, and we know that is for every 1 mole.
Gotcha.
Perfect. Then in my next step, I have to cancel my moles, so I put mole on the bottom, and for every 1 mole, I have
That many particles.
exactly.
Okay, so I get it. So you take your grams and you're gonna have to put it into moles, which is the middle area.
Right, that's
And
the middle step.
You take your moles and you gotta put it into particles.
Right. Okay. Then I can cancel my gram units, and I can cancel my mole units. Now, that's fine. You're good.
Oh, I'm good. Okay.
Okay. So what's perfect is the only unit left that you see is what?
Particles.
And what did we circle?
Particles.
Boom. So
Wow,
we're
look
set
at
up
that.
correctly. All right. Then
Oh.
here's your calculator. All right. So in your calculator, you're going to press 829, hit the multiplication sign. Then you're going to press 6.02. Now here's the tricky part. You must press the second function button, then the comma, which is the button right above the 7,
Yes.
and then hit 2-3, and you'll hit enter. Okay.
Love the bells.
Yep.
So
Okay.
long.
Yeah, it's a dragged out one. Okay, so then after you hit enter, you're gonna hit divided by, which will then say answer. You divide it by the mass on the bottom, 44.01, hit enter, and you get an answer that looks like
Da, da, da.
1.13 times 10 to the 25th.
Excellent.
Now, I screwed up here because what did I forget, Mr. Wood?
Units.
I did not put my
Oh,
units. I don't know if we're
jeez.
talking about toenails or earwax balls. I mean, it could be anything. So I need to make sure I put my units.
Very graphic.
I was. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
All right, so we'll try another one. Now,
Ooh.
this one's a little different because it's still a two-step problem.
It is.
But we're going to go from
Molecules to grams.
beautiful.
The
So
other way.
we circle, of course.
What we're looking for.
Yep. And we underline.
What we've got.
All right, step one.
8, write what you know.
Okay, so I write it out.
Boom.
Boom, there it is. T-chart it up.
Love it.
Okay. Now, there's a
those
little
are fun.
interesting animation early. Okay, so we're going to cancel our units by starting with
You putting molecules on the bottom.
Absolutely.
The conversion factor roadmap.
Oh.
Wow.
Well, okay.
There it
So
is.
this one doesn't like me as much. All right. So I put my molecules on the bottom. Here's a little trick, folks. Anytime you're dealing with molecules, atoms, or particles, you're always going to use Avogadro's number.
Yeah.
Okay,
If it's
it's-
not really moles or grams, just use Avogadro's number.
Yes. Okay.
Why not?
And then, of course, anytime you need a gram amount, you always use molar mass.
Yeah, because it's
Okay?
grams.
Exactly. Okay. So then we'll click over, and we're back to where we started. Okay. So now we're going to solve. Calculator appears.
Boom.
Again,
Magic.
now we got to do it again. We're going to use those same functions, but we're going to start it out. Never, ever, ever in that calculator do you press the times 10 button.
Never,
And caret,
ever.
and never.
You hate carrots.
I hate carrots. Well, I really like carrots. I hate scientific calculator carrots and times 10. That gives you the wrong answer. It doesn't do the right function.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's rough.
So then we'll put that in our calculator just the way you see it. You'll hit enter. You'll hit divided by, then you'll do 6.02, second comma 23, enter again, and you get an answer of
2.51 grams of uranium hexafluoride. Very nice.
very good. Okay. And that's about all we got for you. So we will practice in class.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.